Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
My name is Agustin Nasari and I'm at HR here. So, what is your name?
My name is Safa Sabita.
Okay, could you please tell me about yourself?
Okay, good morning, Miss. Thank you very much for invite me in this interview. So my name is Safa Sabita Zahra, and I recently graduated as a software engineer in IDM Boarding School. During my studies, I completed several courses for improving my skills, especially in the field of web development. In course, I did some project as a submission to get certificate. Besides that, I also make several web projects but individually and a team. I ever lead a team in web design and web development projects. I'm eager to apply and improve my technical skills in web development in the company and contribute to innovation projects here. Done.
Okay, what do you know about this position?
The position that I'm applying is as a full stack developer, where the main task is to be responsible in front end or design and back end or logic of the website. I also asked my friend who works as a full stack development and explore the internet registering skill that needs to be mastered. Therefore, I took course in the field of web development to improve my skills for a position I was applying for.
And why are you interested in this position?
I'm interested in this position because I'm very enthusiastic about the last web technology development, especially the use of front-end frameworks such as Tailwind, CSS, and React.js, or back-end framework such as Laravel. I've taken several courses and personal projects to learn about these technologies, and I'm confident I can apply them to create better user experience. Apart from that, I'm very interested in the website development projects with its face of this company because of its popularity in the education sector. Because is in line with my interest in development design of front end and back end website. Done.
What is your strength and your weakness?
Okay, for strength, I have good communication skills, which is with this ability I can receive and convey information well. There will be reducing miscommunication. With good communication, coordination with team members goes well. Web development works requires good communication with the UI UX design team, front-end developer, and other teams. Therefore, this ability is very necessary for this job. Meanwhile, my weakness is that I am a perfectionist. I don't like when something is missing in this project, and it's that biggest distraction in carrying out a project. So to overcome this, I always try to be more accepting and appreciative of the thing my coworkers have done.
Okay, where did you get this job vacancy information?
I was actively looking for a job, and I got this vacancy from my friend. It turned out that the vacancy made me interested. After that, I opened the company website and applied for a position that suits my abilities.
Okay. What do you know about this company?
This company is a company operating in the education sector and is one of the best in its field. The products offered are also very innovative and proven to be able to survive during the pandemic. In fact, the company is predicted to become the next unicorn startup. I also asked several of my friends who work at this company regarding the company culture, which can really support me to continue to develop and learn more.
Tell me a time you couldn't meet a goal and how did you handle it?
There was a time when the progress of a project I was doing with my team went off the timeline because of my busy schedule. And the time and at the time the team clashed with other schedules. So to solve it, I discussed with the team and agreed to divide the work according to each individual's abilities. In the end, we were able to complete the project on the time, even though we had to provide extra time.
Okay, what are your plans for the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, my goal is to be a manager in a web development team and be able to complete several company projects with the team. I believe that the values and training provided by the company can support me to continue developing my hard and soft skills to advance my career path.
What contribution can you make to the company?
I have worked on web design and web development projects. From these two types of projects, I learned to develop strategies to develop websites as efficiently as possible. With the experience, I know the strategy of developing a website for your company. If I'm accepted into this company, I will contribute to improving the quality of the website both in terms of design and launch and others. Another communication purpose that I can support the company's business with the skills and experience that I have.
Okay. Are you willing to be placed outside the city?
Okay, miss. If I have an opinion, I really hope to be able to work in the city where I currently live, namely Bogor. However, if the company has a policy to placing me outside the city, I'm willing to follow these rules. I believe that your company has a lot of consideration while placing someone in a city.
How do you deal with work pressure and stress?
In my personal opinion, stress when working is normal. Usually, I'll take a moment to rest and collect my thoughts. After that, I will analyze the problem and causing the stress and try to break down one large and complex problem into several smaller and simple parts. I can also ask colleagues to help if it's necessary.
How do you arrange jobs priority?
I'm used to completing work based on deadlines, so I make list first for what was given to me and when the work had to be finished. Then I do the work with the closest deadline first. Once finished, then I work with I work on work with a longer deadline. Apart from that, I also put work that is not too important at the bottom of the priorities list.
Okay, tell me a moment when you made a mistake.
Previously, I worked on a web design project. On one of the page, it turned out there was an error, namely an error in placing the code. In, Immediately, my colleague who realized it told me, and I fixed the code before it could finally be hosted and distributed on the internet. From this mistake, I learned to always double check in the code syntax and placement, so that in the future I don't make similar mistakes.
Okay, what salary did you expect?
I have done some research for a salary in similar position. I, ex- I, I expect a competitive salary commensurate with my qualification and experience. However, I also open to discussing further regarding the compensation pages offers.
Did you apply to another company?
That's right, miss. I also applied to another company in the automotive sector. However, my application to another company was only an option. I really hope to be accepted by this company.
Okay, what kind of work environment do you prefer?
I enjoy working in an environment where I can collaborate and meet lots of people. Apart from that, I also enjoy working in fun and productive environment.
Okay, why should these companies accept you?
I see time management skills as one of the requirements for this position. Time management skills and one of the advantage I have. Apart from that, I also have skills need for this position, such as a front-end developer, back-end development, frameworks such as Bootstrap and Laravel, and the others. Becoming a full-stack developer has been my dream for a long time. I will give my best if given the opportunity to join this company.
Yeah, thank you so much for all of the answer. Thank you for coming here, and you can wait for the more information by they will send to Gmail or your WhatsApp. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, miss, for inviting me.